viewers, time for a new video. But, I can't find my assistants, neither Sue nor Samantha. Oh well, I'll have to think of something. Oh, it never hurts to have a snack. Hey, ew, it's not food. Ugh. What were they thinking, leaving stuff like this around? I'll comfort myself with a donut. Oh no!
What's with all the yelling, Drama Llama, and taking other people's stuff?
So, it's you. Did you want me to choke?
What are you talking about, Pipsqueak? I made this to hide makeup from Sue.
Hide it from Sue? Why?
So she wouldn't take it back so fast.
Take it back? Do you mean it's her makeup?
What if it is? I need it.
Samantha, let's talk. Seriously, we need to shoot a video and you're fooling around.
You're the one fooling around. It's important stuff and you're just distracting me.
Oh, then that's what we're going to show. Oh, come on!
I'm not going to shoot a video about it. You won't make me.
What about fame and popularity?
Well, fine. I'll make an exception.
Give me a moment. So, Samantha, tell us, please, how did you manage to disguise this face powder so well it even fooled me?
Sam, take your microphone and go. I need space to work. Right. First, I'll tell you how to hide face powder in Waffles. You'll need some polymer clay, flatten it into a circle, make it the size of a real one. You'll need to make dents, like the ones on the waffle. A square lipstick cap will do the trick. Just make the dents all over the surface. To make it look more like a real waffle, you need to paint it yellow. Apply a couple of layers. Like this. And then add some dimension with brown paint. And of course, you need 2 of these. Let's glue the powder inside. Be very careful. It's a good idea to take powder in a light case to make it look like cream between the waffles. But you can't do it with white powder only. We need to apply some glue inside. Just go all around the powder container. Make sure you don't stain the powder itself or glue the lid to the bottom. That wouldn't be fun at all. And then paint the glue white. To make it look like the real thing, apply several coats to make it opaque. The paint will add some texture as well. Paint some strips with brown paint to make it look like chocolate. Now we only need to add cherries on top. And done!
So yummy! Oh, I forgot it's not real! Ew!
And if you take a photo of it, you can't even tell if it's real. Give a thumbs up if you agree.
And now, how did you make such a real-looking donut? Not from polymer clay?
Nope, I did it with a hair donut.
A donut for hair?
Stop laughing, it's just a name. I actually use it quite often. You need to glue that donut to the powder. By the way, you'd better take powder in a black case and paint over the brand name on the lid to hide it. And now comes an interesting part. Let's take a glue gun and make glaze out of glue. Try to remember how real donut glaze looks like and have fun with it. We've got a chocolate donut here, so I'll paint it brown. I think many of you like donuts. Write in the comments, what's your favorite flavor? I do like chocolate. I need to remember this donut isn't real. Now, I only need to glue some colorful sprinkles. There can't be too many sprinkles on a donut. And done!
I'm not going to taste this one. A donut hair, really?
But it's very pretty and a great disguise. Oh, these fake sweets made me hungry. I'll go eat something.
Hey, wait for me! She must have more! I just know it! Oh, I need to find... where?
Hey, you! What are you doing?
Oh, I thought you were in the toilet. I was looking for some other makeup that you can disguise as food. I love those.
I've already shown it.
But it's not enough! Make more!
Oh, you're so annoying. Fine. I'll take lip gloss and hide it in a cupcake. I'll need a silicone mold for it. I need to fill it with hot glue. First, I will add some glue on the bottom of the mold. This should be enough. Now, place a lip gloss container inside. And fill the mold with glue on the top. Put a lot in, but don't overdo it. And I need to apply some glue to the container lid to make it look like delicious frosting. I'll cover the sides of the lid and then add more glue on the top. Awesome! This is so much fun. Let's put this here. Now I will leave the glue to set. Oh, what's this?
It's a subscription plane. When it flies in, everyone subscribes.
Well, I don't know.
I'm sure it will work.
Well, perhaps. Right, the glue has set. Time to paint it.
But let me! I'm the best painter! Okay. Oh, I love it! More here. Pink. That's my favorite. Oh. There. What would you do without me?
Paint it myself? Oh, fine. Now I only need to glue on some sprinkles to make the cupcake look more like the real thing. I'll use some round sprinkles this time. I'll do it my way, like this. And now some more. And shake off the excess. Done!
Why is this delicious looking cupcake not edible at all? La 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 la.
Sam, you look like a fairy. Have you come to send me to a ball?
No way, I've come to make sure you're shooting the video.
I am. I'm thinking of another way to hide makeup. Oh, right! The case is just as round as a lollipop. That's it.
I hope you're not going to take real lollipops from a poor slime for this.
Nope, but it could be payback for your stealing my stash. Fine, I won't do it. I'll use polymer clay.
Phew, my candies are safe.
Safe for now. I'll roll out 3 balls of polymer clay into thin strips. I really love these colors.
I don't.
Why is that?
Because it won't be a real lollipop.
But you've asked me yourself to do it for a video.
Well, I hoped.
You won't get candies for me. I'm not Sue. Right, I'll twist colored strips together like this, and then wrap a white strip in between them, shaping it like a lollipop. These candy decorations for makeup will get people craving for candy even without candies.
No way!
I know what I'm talking about. We need 2 of these lollipops. Poof! Now I need to glue a wooden stick and leave the clay to set.
Take this!
A bell? To wake up slimes or put it on your head?
Oh, come on, it's a hint!
A bell? I don't get it.
I think our viewers did. You need to click the bell under the video to know about new videos on the channel. Got it?
Take your bell and leave, you slime bell ringer. And I only need to glue the powder to the lollipop parts. Oh, by the way, be careful with the glue gun. You know, it's really hot. I'm always super careful. I've never burned myself with hot glue, I think. We put this over the top. And done. Simple and elegant.
So, unlike you.
Hey, wait! Unlike me, you'll see. Well then, I'll make the last thing without him. I've taken this paper roll from the kitchen. I'll make a case for makeup brushes out of it. I'll disguise it as an Oreo package. Everyone on our channel likes Oreos. Give a thumbs up if you agree.
Did someone say Oreo?
No, I said double-sided tape.
Oh, I'll better go.
Haha, it always works. Right, I'll stick the double-sided tape to an image of an Oreo package. Neatly, No wrinkles, or it won't look like the real thing. To get smooth edges, I'll make small cuts all around the edges and fold them in. Stop right there. I need that.
Yes, of course.
I love this. I'll cut a piece of Velcro and glue it inside. Oh, there. Press it. And another one. It looks perfect. Now take a piece of felt, roll it up, and insert it. Just apply some glue carefully along the edge and press it. Now, I only need to make a bottom and a lid.
Out of cookies.
What? No. Cookies leave crumbs. I don't need them on my brushes. But a picture of a cookie will do. I'll glue the images on round pieces of felt. And glue one piece to the bottom. And I'll glue the second cookie image into the Velcro. Done!
What do you mean?
Well, here, look!
It's just like magic.
I hope Sue won't find her makeup now and I will be able to use it all I want.
She won't find it if I don't tell her, and I won't tell her if you give me real candies.
What? Why, you little slime?
Hehe.